at San Diego Mesa College, Culinary Arts Program, and tonight is Taste of Mesa 2024, which is an open house of the Culinary Arts Program. We have 4 stations on each side that are guest chefs, and then we have pastries from our pastry class. We have a cooking competition, and we have a cake decorating competition, so students have an opportunity to participate in either one of those, and if they don't do that, they can also work with one of our guest chefs that come in and help them create their dishes throughout the night. Come on, chefs!
This event really just kind of puts together everything I've learned through all the semesters I've been here and the classes I've taken, especially with all the amazing teachers. We implement everything we learned. It's just a really cool event to do something really cool for the school and hopefully win.
Big event to raise funds for our program. We get a mystery box and we're going to be creating a dish out of it, the best dish that we can. All the proceeds are going to go to our program and help future students.
We are working on the smoking station over here, so we already smoked some short rib, we have duck, and we have some brisket. And then working in here we have lamb chops and a whole leg of pork being smoked right there too. It's nice to be out here helping all the chefs. Obviously, it's an awesome bonus of being in culinary school, right? You get to sample everyone's history, if you will. Like, it's not just how people make food anymore. It's about how they grew up, their little twist on things that, you know, it just shows them as a person, and be able to try what they are is just the ultimate privilege.
This is my first year here, so it's my first time doing the throwdown competition. Our mystery box consisted of polenta, pork shoulder. We had a few fresh garden vegetables, good squash, a lot of fresh herbs, and then we also had mushrooms. So what we decided to do was just cook the polenta down. We were gonna get a nice char on our pork, finish it off in the oven, and we topped it with some maple bacon butter. And then we made a nice vinaigrette with the slaw. I think it turned out pretty good.
It gives them a chance to actually experience that tension in the cooking part of it, but also really just to show how much they've learned and showcase their talent.
Coming into this, I told her that I would let her take the lead. I believe in her abilities fully.
It just started with the protein, and from the protein it was like, we need some freshness, we need a sauce. He's stronger in baking and I'm stronger in like Asian savory food, so I'm pitching ideas to him, and without him we wouldn't have done fried polenta. It's just like us feeding off of each other, and then it just created a great dish.
Somebody accidentally threw away a portion of our dish before it was plated, and we were putting a lot of stock in that because there's a lot of flavor in that aspect of the dish, and so we were a little disappointed for a little while there, but it feels better, honestly. It's like we won without it. I'm in here in school a lot, and there's a lot of time to learn, and I think today was just time to execute.
This is my second year doing it, so I took what I learned from last year, and I'm definitely going to take what I learned from this year on into my career forward.
This event does so many things for our students. It provides us the opportunity to showcase and highlight the talents of our students. When you have qualified, passionate, brilliant faculty paired with students who have a vision and a dream and talent, and then this is what you get. You get this amazing event that showcases the promises and the possibilities of our culinary arts program.